Cheers! Oh, cheers to long life, more money, more deals. I'm bored. Abena, you're bored. I want to travel. Person minko baby. Oh my goodness. Ghana is boring. Me person minko baby. An island or somewhere. I mean.
Wow! Hey, Abena, ring here for Papa Diamond ringy.
Pa you hard Jane. Ring that day. I free now. I can watch him.
Hey, for Papa Diamond. Hey.
Also a bit of diamond and gold. My baby in a tomato. But once I mean ring shit. We traveled and then we were doing shopping and I saw this ring and he said,
wow,
do you like it? I said yes. Maybe say it's $12,000. I'm like, Jesus! Baby, that's a lot. I see $12,000 is nothing. It's like, and he bought it for me.
Mommy friend Zandi! Oh. Zandi, bra.
Are they?
Hey, Zandi.
Zandi, dear, send me a mommy. Me to turn Zandi on him and Zandi, dear, baby, say, I can't call because mine.
I guess I'm not some dark crowd. We need a different side.
Hey, Zandi, be. Abena diamond ring, no, hey.
Abena day.
And you're ringing a baby to mommy, not $12,000.
Be one day. Be hey, oh, Chamontro. Na mo dey say Abena dey wo hu say mo ye nkurase for dey bi twa monro ka we sheni fake nya diamond
Sandy. I don't know when you bring me.
Debbie, no, wait. If you see someone who is jealous of someone, like, would you know? Oh yes, because bibi ameyebia now I try so baby just to disgrace me. I don't get it. Like I don't get it. Who da so bo one pam trumpet. Ring yeah na me no call makola okoto 15 cedis.
Me only me call mako.
And no cross answer to so the man 5 Ghana.
Hey, Abena. Me makola.
Asa na ni Jimmy. Oni mkura Jimmy. Hey,
mo sorry ko.
Once when you marry job.
Mo sorry for mo job.
Sorry ko. Abena where am fe.
And Johnny more.
Sandy, I don't know when you bring me sir. Can't you shut up for once? Did how?
They find say mintie nibo na dey na drink here e koto ye yentua hoka na wakofa de besi nkura no ho a wetu anhwe see a ring hwe drink no mo no mama na kase
Sandy, I bought this
biscuity and no na me koji fi mama no ho de ba se nkura no be ko school hwe biscuity eno kura wontua hoka
sorry nako o de sorry
men nye me bisa me ka show Gary ran all kwan ho na na ogoji Gary won ho no. So ka say nyama asa kasa. Mo wa wa ko free Gary na me kan chiro mo no mo a he o me susu ama na akotua ka no. Wo say Gary wan si no nyama asa wo pesika no. Wo ba ha na pa na wada. Ti me ka cho na akotua ka no. Wo je no chi ne kwa ufi.
Girl we o say me tune free me fi me what's happening?
Me medical tu. Medical tu fi an mo say. Na wo ba hwe.
Sandy na pepe.
O say, kwe, ko. Na wo she so a hwe wa she drink up sa glass ma en crank tikiti wo mo glass ma esa wo do jo so na ma ho fi ha
Sandy me too.
O she no ho kasa sa eh o ba se na sa we be na dia kan ma pe je fe